How do you spell courageous?
Camp.
Is someone famous that you think is courageous and why?
I think Martin Luther King Jr. is very courageous because he stood up for his rights and he gave lots of speeches and he went to jail 3 times. But in his lifetime he did lots of good things.
I thought my mum is very courageous because she always believed in herself and never gave up on what to do. And she always believed in me, so.
E-double-U-N.
What's an animal that you think is courageous?
Rabbit.
Why?
Because it uses all its energy just to get away from prey. I think a monkey is courageous because it swings or flies without falling off.
I think a lion's courageous because it leads its pack into a better future.
How can a student be courageous at Ivanhoe?
By helping others, trying new things, and being a leader.
Why do you think courageous is one of the Ivanhoe profile words?
I think they want people to be brave and be strong and never give up.
Because they want students to push to their limits.
When was the time you were courageous?
When I ran in front of the whole school and I was nervous and excited.
When I climbed a pole. When I first did a backflip on the floor. I felt a bit scared, but after that, I felt good about it. M-S-E-R-T.
What do you think courageous means?
Brave and strong. Somebody who's strong. Ashley, because she always helps me if I'm down, and she'll always say, "All right, Geordie, are you okay? And would you like me to stay with you or tell me what happened?" And I think she's a great friend. How does courage and compassion work well together? Well, if someone falls over that you don't really like them and they fall over, it would take a lot of courage to help them up because you don't really like the person or know them as well and they've done something mean to you but you're doing something nice to them. See? It takes a lot of courage to be compassionate to someone who's mean to you. How do you tackle the situation?
I like to go up to the bully and ask if they're okay and if nothing's happening at home. Because usually if a bully's being mean, it's something happening at home to them.
Yay! Very good.
Very good!
Sorry.